Buying a new HVAC system can often seem like a daunting task. First, you have to schedule your technician to come out to your home to give you a quote. He's going to show up, take his time, and then only give you 3 options. After that, they're most likely going to try to upsell you to the most expensive option, saying that that's the best case scenario. But we know that the most expensive does not always mean the best. With HVACdirect.com, it's an easy process. Nobody needs to come to your home, and you have it done in only 3 steps. Step number 1 is to figure out the size and the specs of your old unit. Once you have that done, you're ready to move on to step number 2. Either go online or give us a call and go ahead and purchase a new unit with the same specs. Once that happens, we'll go ahead and ship it out directly to your home. And then step number 3 is to find a local contractor who's EPA certified to install the equipment. 3 easy steps, as simple as that, and you save a ton of money, as much as 70% compared to doing it with a local contractor.
Go to HVACdirect.com today to see how easy it is to buy a new system online.